Today, I built a generative AI app using LangChain, Ollama, and LangSmith. So all these are connected through a Streamlit interface. So whenever I search like what is generative AI, I'm getting the related information. So how I got this? So firstly, I have defined the prompt template over here, like uh, like here. So the system over here, the word system, uh, the system role acts like the brain of the model. So it tells the LLM that you are an expert AI engineer and the user input, it comes dynamically from the UI. Like as you can see, this is the UI input, okay? Uh, yeah. Then after this, like I want to tell how the GenAI app works. So just like we split large data into smaller chunks before using LLMs, GenAI apps also follow a pipeline. So they load the data, they split the data, and LLM and embed to vectors and cosine similarity query. So the main thing over here is this retriever chain and LLM. So whenever you give any prompt, so the retriever finds out the information. Just like you search something in Google, it finds some information. So that information is sent to LLM because LLM gives the final answer. So that sending uh, information to LLM work is done by chain. So LLM gives the final answer. Okay. So so here is I'll show you in this. So here is how the retriever chain works. So I use chat prompt template. Okay. In this, we pass the Ollama model in finally. So we pass it using str output parser. So all of this is combined into one chain like this. You can see here. So whenever a user asks a question, so the chain it runs end to end. So the prompt formats it, and the LLM generates the response, and parser cleans it for display. So I'll show you over here. We have given an input, so the retriever finds out, and you see retriever and chain both works. Then only we get the information. Okay, so. As you can see in this app, Streamlit app, so I used Streamlit to create a simple web interface where user type their question and instantly see AI response uh, from the model. So like I have answer I have questioned what is generative AI, so it is answered the related information. So basically I have connected everything to LangSmith, so to trace and to monitor and analyze every LLM call, including tokens. Uh, you can see, like I have asked what is generative AI, so it has given some output. So it will trace the everything like monitor tokens, latency, cost. So for suppose for this, what is generative AI? Yeah, the cost was like 0.00533. This happened for the OpenAI. Okay. Uh, when I used Ollama, I don't have to pay anything, but when I used OpenAI, I have to pay something. OpenAI is not free. Minimum, you have to pay like $5 for your API. Okay, you can use your card. Okay. So I just wanted to show this because uh, you have to how the LangSmith works. So it is used to trace, monitor, and analyze every LLM call. So we had a LLM call over here. So it including tokens and latency and cost. So it's like DevOps dashboard for the AI AI call, like you can see, like I have asked somewhere, like, can you tell me about LangSmith? So over here you can see, can you tell me about LangSmith? So I have used the Open AI here. Okay. So I have used, I have asked what is generative AI. So everything is shown. What is generative AI? And so can you tell me about LangSmith? So everything is monitored by this. Okay. So this project basically helped me understand full cycle of building, tracing, and deploying generative AI apps. So I'm very excited to expand this with RAG and agents next. Thank you so much.